Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Lesleyanne here. I've just literally popped on to wish every single one of you a Merry Christmas. Have a fantastic time. Eat, drink and be merry. Spend lots of lovely time with your family and your loved ones. If you are on your own, then big hugs to you from me. And so I'm going to end my Vlogmas videos here. So it's the 24th of December, so it is Christmas Eve, and I'm ending them here. Just had my shower and everything. I've put some more footage in this video for you to have a look at. Gosh, I've been busy today, you know, doing all the last sort of little bits and popping to the pharmacy to pick up any last bits of medication and washing the floor and sweeping the floor and vacuuming, all the things that we all do for Christmas, because we want it to look just right, don't we? Even though come tomorrow morning, especially if you've got little children, it will look like a bomb's hit it because all the wrapping paper will be everywhere. But I just wanted to sort of like come on and end of Vlogmas properly. So this is going to be the last of my Vlogmas videos. I won't be filming tomorrow because, purely and simply, because the day is going to be very busy. We're at Hannah's tomorrow. There's a lot of us, about 14 of us there, I think. Bless her, being pregnant and everything. But yeah, and then they're all going to be here Boxing Day, and then we've got family coming down New Year's Eve or before, but definitely for New Year's Eve. So as I say, I've decided to end the video here. I've just finished with my little bit of skincare. Tonight I've literally just done a facial scrub in the shower. I've just gone over my face with a Propolis toner. And then I'm just going to pop an oil. This is an Elemis oil onto my face. I'm just going to do a couple of those and then let it all sink in. So I'm just going to press that into the skin. And I'm not going to put anything else on tonight. Just literally this. I'm going to pop a little bit of nail polish on my toes. Shave my legs, that sort of stuff, you know. Right, that's it. That's going to stay on and sink in. Anything that's left is going to go straight to my cuticles. Like that. I think I'm going to wear gold on my toes. So in the rest of this video, what you will see is Elsie desperately trying to get her Christmas presents. I made a minced tart tonight. I've made some mulled wine. Chris and I have had some mulled wine. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to have another glass tonight. May have a little tiny slice of the minced tart. What else? Oh, just a little look around, you know, at some of the lights. Luke in his new pajamas. We've all got new jammies to put on tonight. So Luke in his new jammies. If I remember, I will get Chris in his new jammies and me in my new jammies. We're just going to settle down in front of the old TV tonight now and just chill out until the bedlam starts tomorrow.
It's cold outside. But the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself. a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
You have to wait one more day. Come on, wait one more day.
Right, put ours down on the floor, see what she says.
Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
Call me basic, but I love the
I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Who is on his merry way? It's Santa.
Christmas.
Look at you!
Whoa.
Wow! Just turn around. Yeah, they look good fitting, they do. Here are my new jammies, so they're very warm and snuggly. They're very long, much too long for me. They always are, because I'm only short 5'1", so they're always really, really long. But they are like a flannelette, and they're grey with the white stars. For dignity, I'm just keeping the top over, but it's just a little white sort of vest top, there you go. And then it's got this over sort of jacket, it's got pockets, a zip up one, and it's lovely and snuggly and warm.
Spend Christmas with me. Spend Christmas.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers